Science, Astronomy, Chapter 3, Earth's Movement. Big question, how does Earth move in space? Focus on where you are right now as you read this. Are you moving? Yes, you are. Even if you are holding very still, planet Earth is moving. So you are moving with it because of your tiny size compared to Earth's size. You cannot feel Earth's movements through space. But relative to the sun and other objects in space, Earth is in constant motion. Although you cannot feel Earth's motion, you can observe clues about it by looking to the sky. Thinking about riding on a park merry-go-round, on one side of the merry-go-round are trees and a bench. You see them speed past you as you spin. Around you go, and in the other direction you see a swing set and climbing bars pass by. But are the trees and swing set really passing by your field of vision? No, it is you and the merry-go-round that are in motion. This is what happens when the sun and the stars seem to move across the sky in a day or a night. Earth is spinning, so you move beneath the section of the sky where those objects are visible. Earth rotates on its axis. Vocabulary: axis. An imaginary line through the center of an object that is a fixed point of reference. A merry-go-round is a flat shape that spins. Earth is a sphere, the shape of a ball. Earth rotates on it around its axis. An axis is an imaginary line through the center of an object. The axis is a fixed point of reference. What you see in the sky depends on where you are on Earth's spherical surface. Two people on opposite sides of Earth's surface see different things when they look to the sky at the same time. One sees night, and one sees day. And what you see in the sky changes. It depends on which direction your location on Earth is facing at any given time. Earth makes one full rotation around its axis every 24 hours, or 1 day. Throughout the course of the day, the sun appears to move across the sky. When the sun is not visible at night, patterns of stars become visible. They too appear to move across the sky. But remember that this is apparent movement. Earth's motions changes where these objects appear in the sky. If you observe the apparent movement of the sun and the stars day after day and night after night, a very clear pattern emerges. They move across the sky from east to west. Earth spins from west to east. As you, at a point on Earth's surface, spin past objects in the sky, they appear to be moving in the direction opposite of what you are actually moving. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Earth revolves around the sun. In a single day or night, you can see evidence of Earth's rotation. This is evidence that Earth spins on its axis. But you can also see evidence that Earth is moving in an orbit around the sun. As Earth moves in its orbit, we can see different constellations. Constellations appear to move across the sky every night. This is the evidence that Earth spins around its axis. In addition, visible constellations change with the seasons. This is evidence that Earth also orbits the sun. In Earth's orbit around the sun, the nighttime side faces different regions of space, with different constellations during different seasons of the years. Stars that are visible during summer nights are on the daytime side of Earth during the winter, so they are not visible then.